Want to sign a document digitally, but unsure of where to start? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to sign a PDF document using Microsoft Edge in just a few easy steps. First, open the document you want to sign. If you need to add details like a date or your name, you can use the Add Text tool. Simply click where you want to place the text, start typing, and customize it as needed. You can adjust the text size and even change its color to match your style or document requirements. Next, to add your signature, click on the arrow next to the Draw tool. Here you can customize the color and the thickness of your pen before signing. Once you're happy with the settings, go ahead and sign directly on the document. Before you finish, make sure to save the document to keep your changes. And that's it. Your document is now digitally signed and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video for more helpful tips.